Hey guys, in this video, I give the phonological awareness screening test to a third grade student. It is an informal example, but it should help with guidance. Just to note, I had started scoring the test, but then went back so I could film myself scoring it in real time. So I just mark over the marks I had made before. This comes from David Kilpatrick's book, Equipped for Reading Success, which is an excellent tool to use in your classroom. To get an automatic score, a student has to answer the question correctly in 2 seconds or less. That will be marked with an X. To get a correct score, the student has to answer it between 3 to 5 seconds, and you can repeat it one time, and they would get a score of 1. If you need to repeat the prompt, they cannot get an automatic score. They can only get a correct score, so you would have to mark that one with a number 1. If the student does not say the correct answer or takes longer than 5 seconds to say the correct answer, they're going to get a score of 0. We have to provide the corrective feedback in that instance, so we're going to tell them what the answer was and repeat the prompt. Like if you say baseball without the base, you get ball, baseball, ball. If the student gets 2 or less correct on 2 consecutive levels, we're going to discontinue our test. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say bookcase.
Bookcase.
Say bookcase, but don't say book.
Case.
Good. Say sunset.
Sunset.
Now say sunset, but don't say sun.
Set.
Good. Say spaceship.
Spaceship.
Now say spaceship, but don't say ship.
Spaceship. Space.
Good job. Way to self-correct. Say silver.
Silver.
Say silver, but don't say sill.
Ver.
Good. Say market.
Market.
Say market, but don't say mar.
Kit.
Good. Say gentle.
Gentle.
Say gentle, but don't say toll.
Gin.
Good. Say October.
October.
Now say October, but don't say ock.
October.
Good. Say umbrella.
Umbrella.
Say umbrella, but don't say
Umbrella.
Yep. Say fantastic.
Fantastic.
Say fantastic, but don't say fan. Want me to repeat it?
Fantastic.
Good. Say alphabet.
Alphabet.
Say alphabet, but don't say owl.
Alphabet.
Good. Say Saturday.
Saturday.
Say Saturday, but don't say sat.
Saturday.
Say tricycle.
Tricycle.
Say tricycle, but don't say try.
Cycle.
Good. Okay. These are going to get a little bit harder, okay? Ready? Say feet.
Feet.
Now say feet, but don't say
Eat.
good. Say love.
Love.
Now say love, but don't say ooh.
Of.
Yep, good. Say tame.
Tame.
Now say tame, but don't say t.
Aim.
Yep. Say time.
Time.
Now say time, but don't say t.
I'm.
Good. Say cone.
Cone.
Now say cone, but don't say k.
Own.
Perfect. Listen closely, okay? Say guide.
Guide.
Say guide, but instead of g, say r.
Ride.
Very good. Say more.
More.
Now say more, but instead of say d. Want me to repeat it?
Door.
It is door. Good. I can repeat it one time too, if you need to repeat ever. Say gum.
Gum.
Now say gum, but instead of g, say
What?
okay?
Did you say or oh. Thumb.
Very good. Say lead.
Lead.
Now say lead, but instead of wool, say s.
Said.
Very good. Say feel.
Feel.
Now say feel, but instead of f, say s.
Seal.
Very good. Say sleep.
Sleep.
Now say sleep, but don't say s.
Leap.
Very good, Cannon. Say crane.
Crane.
Now say crane, but don't say k.
Rain.
Very good. Say grew.
Grew.
Now say grew, but instead of g, say t.
True.
Awesome. Say plowed.
Cloud.
Now say plowed, but instead of p, say k.
Cloud.
Awesome. Quit kicking your feet. Say flows.
Flows.
Now say flows, but instead of f, say k.
Close.
Awesome. Okay, we've only got a few more, okay? Say went.
Went.
Say went, but don't say t.
Win.
Yes. Say range.
Range.
Now say range, but don't say g.
Gauge.
Very close. If you say range, but don't say g, you get rain. Range, rain.
Okay.
Okay? Say wheat.
Wheat.
Say wheat, but don't say t.
Lee.
Very good. Say niece.
Niece.
Now say niece, but don't say s.
Knee.
Yes. Say drive.
Drive.
Say drive, but don't say v. You want me to repeat?
Dry.
Dry. Very good. Hey, don't move constantly, okay? I need to make sure all your brain power's on me. Okay? You ready? Super focus, okay? Say ran.
Ran.
Now say ran, but instead of say
Run.
Very good. Say kit.
Kit.
Now say kit, but instead of say
Cut.
Very good. Say huff.
Huff.
Say huff, but instead of say
Half.
Awesome. Say beak.
Beak.
Now say beak, but instead of say a.
Back.
Close.
Bake.
If you say beak, but change the E to an A, you get bake. Beak, bake. Ready?
I thought you meant
The letter, no, that happens a lot. Okay, are you ready? Say fine.
Fine.
Say fine, but instead of I, say O.
Phone.
Yes. Okay, a little bit tougher. You ready? Say bread.
Bread.
Now say bread, but don't say r.
Bread. I mean, ed. Bed.
Very good. Say sneak.
Sneak.
Now say sneak, but don't say Want me to repeat? Okay. Say sneak. Say sneak. Cannon.
Sneak.
Okay. Focus, okay? Say sneak.
Sneak.
Say sneak, but don't say
Seek.
Yes, seek. Very good. Stop. Say crew.
Crew.
Now say crew, but instead of say l.
Cloud. I mean, instead
It's okay. Let me repeat it, okay? Say crew.
of crew.
Now say crew, but instead of say l.
Clue.
Good. Clue. Say proud.
Proud.
Now say proud, but instead of say l.
Plow.
Very good. Say sneeze.
Sneeze.
Say sneeze, but instead of say k.
Skis.
Yes. Okay. Just 10 more. That's it. Total. Okay. Say some.
Some.
Say some, but instead of say
Sun.
Sun. Good. If you say some and change the to an n, you get sun. Some sun. Ready? Say rhyme.
Rhyme.
Say rhyme, but instead of say d.
Rhymed.
What is it?
Rhymed.
If you say rhyme, but change the to a d, you get ride. Rhyme, ride. Say night.
Night.
Say night, but instead of t, say s.
Wait, what?
Say night.
Night.
Say night, but instead of t, say s.
Nice.
Very good, nice. Say seam.
Seam.
Say seam, but instead of say t.
Seam. I mean, is it seam?
So say seam.
Seam.
Say seam, but instead of say t.
Seamed.
If you say seam and change the to a t, you get seat. Seam, seat. You hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say keep.
Keep.
Say keep, but instead of p, say z.
Zeep.
That was a good guess. Okay, ready? If you say keep, but change the p to a z, you get keys. Keep, keys.
I thought you said the K.
I'm sorry. You ready? Say ghost.
Ghost.
Now say ghost, but don't say s.
Go.
If you say ghost without the s,
Goat.
you get goat. Ghost, goat. You ready?
Yeah.
Say cost.
Cost.
Now say cost, but don't say s.
Say it again.
Say cost.
Cost.
Now say cost, but don't say s.
Call.
If you say cost, but don't say s, you get caught. Cost, caught. Good way to check yourself. Okay, last three, okay? These are tough. You gotta listen real close. Say craft.
Craft.
Now say craft, but instead of f, say k.
Wait, what did I change the
Okay, it's
F
okay.
to? Or
Say craft.
craft.
Now say craft, but instead of f, say k.
Crack.
Close. If you say craft, but change the f to a k, you get cracked. Craft, cracked. You hear it? Okay, ready? Two more. Say trust.
Trust.
Now say trust, but instead of s, say k.
Wait, what?
Say trust.
Trust.
Now say trust, but instead of s, say k.
Truck.
Close, so close. If you say trust, but change the s to a k, you get trucked. Yeah, you have to put the last sound on there. Okay, last one. Ready? Say dealt.
Dealt.
Say dealt, but instead of say n.
Down.
Close. If you say dealt, but change the to an n, you get dent. Dealt, dent. Good job. Thank you for helping me today. Okay, guys, just some quick takeaways. My student often got the right answer, but it took him too long to get there. So that gave him a score of 0. It's good that he could still figure it out. That means he's got some of those skills, but it means we need to work on that automaticity and getting him to get there quickly. When questions got harder, you could tell he would forget what I had said. He can get one repeat and still get a correct score, but he still usually took too long to get there. So this could be phonological memory or attention or both. Testing conditions were definitely not ideal. I gave him this test right before school one day, and he was sitting in a chair that was spinning, so that did not help with attention. I should have stopped at the end of level L because he had gotten one right out of 10 on the last two levels, and so I did the last 5 items just so you guys could see what you would do with those last 5 items on the test, but I would have stopped at level L if this were in my classroom. So Cannon scored at about where a first grader in the middle of the year should be scoring, and he's in 3rd grade, so there's definitely some skills we need to work on, and we need to work on them not just to the accuracy level, but to the automaticity level. That's crucial. The areas that he needs to work on are G, I, J, K, L, and M. You can see where he was fully automatic at level H, so we don't have to go in order. We know that he can do those skills. We will start with the lowest level, which was G, and we're going to work to automaticity for that level using the 1-minute activities in the back of Equipped for Reading Success by David Kilpatrick. Once he has consistently mastering that level at automatic, we can go on to the next level. We can use this tool to build up that phonological awareness in our students. And once they have that foundation, I think you're going to see incredible improvement in their reading and their phonics skills. So definitely use this program as a tool. Thanks.